Is it good? Good job. Show me how to eat, Sammy. How can you eat your food? Mmm. Good eating, buddy. Mmm. Mmm, cheddar broccoli soup is yummy. Mmm. Great job, Sam.
Cheese.
Cheese. Mmm. 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 So yummy. You're doing such a good job, Sammy, with your soup. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. 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 Good eating, Sammy. Would you like more?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say please?
Yeah.
Sam, can you say please?
Please.
Okay. Here's some more. Yum! Excuse you. Can you say, excuse me? Can you say, excuse me? Not yet. Ah. Oh, there's a lot in there. There's a lot, Sammy. Try it. Mm. Are you done? Oh, you're going to have more? Okay. Are you done? Are you all done? Oh, well then you gotta put it in your bib. Oh, well you need your bib then. If you're eating, you need your bib. Okay, here you go. Keep going.
Cheese.
You're saying cheese again to the camera?
What's it?
Oh, it's just, don't just ignore that. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain.
Huh?
Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Mmm. Mmm. Great eating, Sammy.
Uh-oh.
What?
God, tummy.
What happened?
Uh-oh.
Oh, you were doing such a good job with your spoon. Mmm. Is it yummy? Sam, is your food yummy? Can you say yummy? Or you can say oh my.
No.
Do you want more?
Yep.
Okay, more please. Can you say please?
Please.
Okay, I will happily give you more, Sam. Thank you for saying please so kindly. Here's your more, sir. Here's more soup, sir. Enjoy your specialty, our specialty. Mama's cheddar broccoli soup with broccoli chunks. Can you use your spoon? Can you show me how to use your spoon, Sammy? Can you show me how good you are with your spoon? Oh, wow! That's great. Oh, be careful. Be gentle. Spoon is for eating. Can you use it to eat your soup? Oh, nice work. Oh, you're such a smart boy. Look at you. You know just what to do. How much soup are you going to eat? Are you going to eat another scoop? Oh, there it is. You did it. You ate another scoop. Are you going to eat another scoop of soup? Sam eats Sam's scoop.
Yep.
You scoop the soup? This is going so much better than sheep out to eat. Sam eats soup. Yeah? Did you like the story of the sheep out to eat? Sheep scoop. Sheep eat soup. Sheep scoop. Thank you, Sam. Good job. Great job, Sam. Yum, 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 right? Sammy. Hi. Are you going to scoop any more? Oh my goodness, this is 9 minutes long, Sam. That's a lot of soup. Are we all done? All done? All done? Sammy, can you say all done?
Hala.
Oh, you want some challah? Or are you all done? Can I give you an orange? for you. I gotta peel it. Just be patient, sir. Gotta peel your orange, orange, orange. Gotta peel your orange, orange, orange. Okay, okay. Here you go. Great eating, Sammy. Great eating. Let's start a little cleanup. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up the soupy face. Clean up, clean up, clean up the soupy hands. Clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up. Clean up, clean up. Would you like another one? Would you like some more orange? Alright, I'm going to move you out of the soupy area. Out of Soup Central. Hello. It's Soup Central here, Sammy. Would you like some more? Do you want another orange? Okay. Orange. I want an orange, please. Can you say, orange, please? Oh, I need that. No, it's not yours. Did you say please?
Please.
Thank you. What's down there? Is that your challah? It's like soupy challah now. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it fell down. Here you go.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay. I'm just helping a little. There you go. Oh boy. You okay? Alright, you're okay. Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, camera. Say bye. Bye-bye.